guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you this kit that I recently purchased on Amazon, and so far you guys, the end result is absolutely worth it. It was a little hard to get used to at the beginning, but once you get the hang of it, it's gonna work out very well, and practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid. The kit comes with a little UV light, a nail glue that's activated with the UV light, some nail tips, and the USB cord for the UV light. And I purchased a set of gel nail polishes from Beetles, which is the original nail kit I was trying to get, but I guess I got the wrong one. But regardless, the nail kit I got did work very well. So the nail polish set came with 6 different colors, 2 glitters, and the rest were just regular gel nail polishes. I got the pinkish set. And as you see here, I have some nail polish remover and some little cotton on the side to clean the nail polish that was already on my nails, as well as a nail file to file the bed of my nails so that it's a little bit easier for the nails to adhere to my nail tips. And yeah, guys, I definitely recommend start doing your own nails at home. You guys, it saves you money, it saves you time, and it's up to you on how you want your nails to look and how long you want them to be. I've gone out and gotten a full set of nails and came home extremely disappointed and paid about $70 to $100. So no, that's not worth it to me anymore. Look at how cute this little UV light is. It has like a little piggy face. That nail glue is super easy to use. At first it was kind of scary because it is kind of thick, but I've heard it's thinner than the normal nail glue that comes. So this one, I rubbed it a little bit on the nail, and then I put a little glob at the end. And then you gotta try to get no air bubbles in that nail bed. So I'm gonna push really hard on the nail bed, and I turn on the light first, and then I put my nail with the nail tip in at the same time on the nail light. And this is just gonna activate that gel so that it adheres to your nail. Once it's on there, it's on there. That nail is not going anywhere, I promise. It literally dries instantly, but I do recommend keeping it on the nail light for about a minute. You do want to be very careful and make sure that that tip is on there straight, because like I said, once you put it through that light, it's not moving, girlfriend. So definitely make sure that the nail tip is on your nail straight. I know it's going to be a little hard at the beginning, but once you keep on going, it gets easier nail by nail, is what I've noticed. So with that first nail, it was a little weird, but then I finally got the hang of it, and most of my nails came out straight. So I definitely recommend making sure that your nail is on there straight before you put it under that light, because once it goes under that light, you can't move it. Well, as you can see here, I'm flipping my nail upside down, and I'm also leaving it under the nail light. So if any glue did escape the nail bed and it went up a little bit, I want that to dry as well. So I tip it upside down and I leave it under the light. You see how perfect it looks? Literally super easy, super fast, super effective and efficient. So yeah, you just keep on doing that same step for each nail. And here I'm just showing you how the nail polish was working. It was actually very, very good. The colors that came in the kit were very pretty. I ended up doing this shade of pink on my nails, and then there's like a lighter pink in the set, and I did use that on my daughter, and it came out very, very cute. She loved the little experience with the little light as well. It was kind of funny. It's like your own little salon, but at home, you know, safe and sound around your own, and you know, it's no hassle. So I really recommend that. And then I love gel nail polishes because they're gonna last a lot longer than a regular nail polish. It's super fast and efficient, you guys. Definitely recommend this set. I would try it if I was you. Order it on Amazon. So this is the final, you know, look. They look so pretty, tell me not. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was quick and cute. I love the way the nails came out. Highly recommend this set. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely don't forget to subscribe and follow my social media listed down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.